Wow, that looks so good. It's got a nice crunchy top. Hey there, I'm Cast Iron Katie. I'm Cast Iron Katie. Doesn't that make a nice sound? Stove. Just a moment. So good. Hi there, I'm Cast Iron Katie, and in this video I'm going to make zucchini blueberry muffins. It's starting to feel a little cooler today, so ready for some sort of a early fall dish, and that of course will have zucchini in it because everybody's garden is going to be having zucchini right now. So let's get started. We'll begin by mixing our dry ingredients. I have 3 cups of flour, a teaspoon salt, a teaspoon baking powder, a 1/4 teaspoon baking soda, and 1 tablespoon of cinnamon. Now we'll mix wet ingredients. I have a cup of brown sugar and a cup of regular sugar. Let me just kind of get that whisked together just a little bit before I start adding the other stuff. To this I will add 3 eggs. Let's beat them before we add them. I needed some applesauce, but didn't have any, so I just blended up 2 apples with 3 tablespoons of water to make applesauce. If there are any chunks in there, it'll just add to the texture of the muffins. Half cup of vegetable oil. And a tablespoon of vanilla. That's a lot of vanilla. It's gonna be delicious. Add dry ingredients to the wet ingredients. Okay, that looks pretty well mixed in. Now let's fold in our blueberries. Got 2 cups of blueberries. Okay, I have some grated zucchini. It was frozen. We picked it up at a farmer's market over this last summer. We'll mix that in. We'll assemble the muffins by putting a 1/3 cup of batter in each one of these cupcake wrappers, and we will top it with the streusel topping. I had some left over from when I made the kolache, so I just stuck that in the freezer. Have it ready. Okay, there's our streusel topping from kolache. Put a spoon of that on each one of these. We'll put this spacer in there. Set our muffins in. Alright, we're ready to go to the hot coals. We will bake the muffins at 350. To get to 350 in the 12-inch Dutch oven, we will put 10 on bottom and 20 on top. If you'd like to see the formula for how I use briquettes to regulate the temperature, go ahead and click on the video description. We will come back every 10 minutes and rotate the oven and the lid and try to avoid some scorching. Okay, it's been 20 minutes into the bake. Let's check on them. They're looking real soupy. All right, we'll come back and check on them, but in the meantime, we'll start some more coals. Okay, it's been on for 40 minutes now. Let's see if anything's happened with it. Oh, those are looking so much better. I better leave it on for a little longer. Let it go a little longer. Let it go 50. Okay, it's been on for 45 minutes. Let's see how it is now. Ooh. Yeah, 45 minutes. That's where it's at. Alright, let's swap these out and put some more on. We'll go ahead and do some mini loaves too. I've got a lot of batter here. Prep our mini loaf pans with some cooking spray. I'll fill it up to where it's just got about an inch from the top. Put the streusel topping on. Alright. We've got our spacer in there. There we go. Hey, this is what the 10-minute rotation looks like. It is raining. It has been 35 minutes. Those loaves are done. Let that go another 10 minutes. Well, maybe I should check on it anyway. Took 45 minutes before, but maybe it held some heat in. Oh yeah, that's done too. Well, heck yeah. That crunchy top. Ooh, look at that. So good. So we have our blueberry zucchini muffin, the streusel, just like a layer of sugar crunch all across the top of it. That's delicious, of course. Ooh. Holy cow. It's so cinnamony. It's delicious. So sweet. Super moist. Yeah, I know it said 2 cups of blueberries. Might shoot for 3 next time. There's a lot of blueberries, but 3 would make it even better, right? This is so good. Definitely give it a shot. Cook it in your Dutch oven. Cook it in your oven. Wherever you want. It's delicious. This is Cast Iron Katie. Thanks so much for watching. Pickles. Oh, are you a good dog? Are you a good dog? I forgot to look, see if I brush my hair. How's it look? How's it look? It's like a mess, huh? Alright, whatever. No! Don't do it! Ooh. not need that mess in there. Okay, 10 minutes.